In some systems, uh, there's a specific way to describe a direction, and we can think of lots of ways. This is, in particular, I hate to say it, this is how the textbook we use on my campus does it. I don't have a problem with it. I try not to make these videos geared towards any textbook or my own ideologies necessarily. I just try to give the facts the best I can and keep them as simple as possible so that almost anyone can understand them. However, here, the navigation basics of bearings, from what I can determine, the way our textbook does it is more like the way surveyors use bearings to describe a direction. So let's discuss it for a moment. Bearings are always written as north or south first, so let's say north, north, and then an angle measure that's less than 90 degrees, so maybe something like 72 degrees, and then either east or west. So you've got north or south first, east or west last, so let's say west. And let's talk about what this means. So north 72 degrees west means you start from your north axis, right? So if I were to draw crosshairs here, and this is north, of course, so you start on your north axis, and 72 degrees means go 72 degrees from this north axis. So you're either going to go this way 72 degrees or you're going to go this way 72 degrees. Well, since it says 72 degrees west, we're going to opt for the version that goes 72 degrees to the west, and what we end up with is a direction like this that is north 72 degrees west. So you always start from a vertical axis, either north or south, and then you measure east or west from that axis. So let's try another example. South, 5 degrees east. This should be a southeasterly direction in general, and this should be a northwesterly direction in general, but we can get very specific here. So from the south axis, I need to go east 5 degrees. So we end up with this direction for south 5 degrees east. And that's the way we'll use bearings. In our textbook, you can imagine there are lots of other ways to describe a direction, but we'll agree to use this notation.